And here is the base of our earrings. Now you can design your earrings with your own ideas. For my design, I'm going to start with making a long snake from white color polymer clay like this. And I'm going to wrap it around the inner circle and you can get help from liquid polymer clay. Now you can create small designs using the tools available with you. I'm going to make some wedges using this knife. Now I am going to take this small straw and I'm going to create some designs using this straw. And here comes the unique Indian design. Take a small amount of white color polymer clay, very small and tiny, and make a teardrop shape by rubbing the edges between your fingers like this, and you will get a teardrop shape. And put it in the outer edge, outer circle like this, and make a small design using a toothpick. So this will be the outer design of our earrings. Complete the circle by making as many as you want. And this will be the final design of your earrings. Now I have to complete both of my earrings and I will come back. have completed both of my earrings, and I'm going to poke a small dots in between those designs. So now you can complete your design in whatever way you want. Now it's the time to bake our clay. So bake your earrings according to the package instructions. For me it is 275, and I'm going to bake about 35 to 40 minutes, and I'm going to take it out only after it gets cooled. And ta-da! This is our earrings after baking. Now I'm going to put the earring post first before painting, because it will be easy for holding if we are going to put the earring post first. Now I got some silver beads with me. This is actually a chain, so I thought I can put it around the inner circle, but this step is purely optional. If you have something additional, you can put it to add the beauty, and I thought I can put it inside this circle. It kind of popped the design, and I'm going to put it around this inner circle. Now you may wonder, how can you turn this white color polymer clay earrings into silver oxidized color? The idea is to paint it black, and then you are going to paint it in a silver color. That's how you can turn this into a fox oxidized silver earrings. So I'm going to paint this earring black. I'm going to put it up about two coats, and I'm going to leave it to dry. And this is the first stage of painting. I have painted these beautiful earrings completely black, and you can see this. After it gets dried, you can either apply silver powder around the completely around the earrings, or you can simply apply a metallic silver acrylic paint. I don't have the silver powder, I have the metallic silver paint, and I'm going to paint this about 2 to 3 coats until you get that fox oxidized effect. So you start painting. I'm going to start with rubbing with my fingers, and then I'm going to paint it with a brush. And can you see that silver oxidized effect by the first coat itself? So you can paint as many coats to get that until that complete oxidized effect. So I think I have painted about 2 to 3 times to get that completely finished oxidized effect. And I think you will get the same output by using either silver powder or acrylic silver paint. And ta-da! Here comes the final output. And I hope you liked this tutorial for making your own silver oxidized jewelries. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Toodles!